He was running with it. He's hitting it and running from the pylons with it, which is kind of weird. He's right back on it again. Oh, it's a mangrove. That's what it is. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna even go try to look for some mullet. Not this time. All right, bud. Thanks for playing. Oh my gosh. Oh, I don't know what that was. I think it had a little redfish or a whiting or a croaker. I don't know. Right over there. Oh, there we go. Oh, there's a little croaker. You want to keep him? Fat old shrimp down there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Big snapper though. Does that look 12 inches, 10 inches? A snapper? It looks, whoa. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, they're really good eating for sure. All right. I got you. I'm trying to break it off as close as I can. Oh my gosh, these yellow jacks are nasty, bro. All right, let's see if we can catch a crusher jig fish with this little crusher jig. I haven't caught many fish on these. Oh my goodness, that's a big snapper. Yes! Yes, dude. I knew it. I missed you like 5 or 6 times now. Yeah. Wow, he's right on 10. Holy smoke.
Right on 10.
Yeah.
Please, get a few.
Here, Dad. Oh, there you go, get it. What you got?
Yeah, I'll have a bucket of water.
Here. Yeah, grab it.
Don't worry. Actually, I have. That's a good size.
That is, that's massive. That's awesome. I was gonna spot
That is a nice size.
that. There's a lot of them. Come here. I'm gonna put him right here for you. All right, you shouldn't be able to go nowhere. I don't think.
Not.
Nice. That's the first thing I caught. There was a little blue crab. Fuck. Get him, twin. Hold him, twin. Hold him.
What'd you get?
Oh my goodness. What you got?
Red?
I don't. Twin.
I think it's a
It's a white. It's a flip it up, huh? There you go, twin. Hey. Yeah, that's a redfish. Hey.
This my old flow. He's gonna be a whomper.
Yeah, there you go, twin. It's a whomper. Good
I
job,
knew
bro.
I saw him.
Ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they